Hello guys, thank you for coming to my channel. So today we have a new review, a new toy that I bought in my collection, and this is Beretta M92 SE VWE. That's simple package. Let's see what is inside. Actually guys, this is full metal gas blowback series. So let's open to see what we have inside. Look, here we have instructions from WE, about some details. We did 6mm, owners, not interesting things. Let's move out. Another language instructions. And we have it. Full metal. It's heavy. This is mag. So we have here for green gas valve. What is nice here on these mags that we can load from here. If you have a fast loader with VBs, you take it here. Okay, so we load it from all these from this side. Here you can put 26 VBs. Valve, very nice piece of this case. This is lock chains, so very nice piece. It's heavy, it's full metal, slide, everything is metal, and we have just this sign that's made in Taiwan. We don't have any sides here, any marks, empty, nothing else. Here we have grip. Here we have mag release button. Let's see. Empty. Clean. So here we have safety, and actually guys, this is full auto option and like normal. You can shut one by one. Here and what is nice as well from this one, have the cocker, so look, and there will not be if it will be with mag, everything inside of gas, so you will not have it will not fire. So exposed barrel, you can see here, black barrel inside. Now we have slide release, this one here, and the release latch. So sides are open sides and with white dots, so what is helping you to aim better. Yeah. Here we have this button is for disassembling, so you push it, change this on position, and we have it disassembled. It's metal, not steel. Finish, you can see it's silver finish, very nice. It's look, very nice look. So we have inside here what is inside, regulation for hop up. This is spring. Yep. And on same way you can put it, assemble it together again, back, and push this one again, leave this to back position, and to play. So it's double action. You can fire from here, and or you can with. So trigger when it's loaded, trigger it's shorter. Look, it's very nice. You can feel it. You can see trigger is changing position. Yeah. And also the cocker, like I said. Put mag inside. Yeah, this is what I don't like. You can hear mag. You have this movements. I'm thinking we need to think how to remove this one, and there you can hear. Yeah, it could be made for this amount of money, so it could be made better. Yeah. Thank you guys. So soon I will add new videos for testing how it should, and we will do some tests on the range outside. Yeah, so you can see here. So one that it's not finished on high quality. Yeah. Thank you. See you. New video will come up. Bye bye.